Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to switch TikTok accounts without logging out. If you have multiple TikTok accounts, you can switch between them without logging out. So open TikTok and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner, just like so. Then tap your username at the top of the screen. Then select the account you want to use. If the account isn't already added, tap Add Account and log in once. After that, you can switch between accounts instantly. You can also go to the three lines at the top right, then go to Settings and Privacy, then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Switch Account. Then switch your account in here or tap on Add Account to add your other account. Now, the benefits of switching accounts instead of logging out, it saves time by avoiding repeated logins, keeps drafts and account settings accessible, and makes managing personal and business accounts easier. For more details, you can also visit TikTok's official help center, which is TikTok support. And let's find this helpful. Thank you for watching.